If your bathtub isn't draining properly, there are a few simple steps you can try before calling in a professional. Start by using a plunger to create suction and dislodge any blockages. If that doesn't work, you can try a natural solution by pouring a mixture of vinegar and baking soda down the drain to break up the clog. Still experiencing issues? It may be time to contact a licensed plumber to diagnose and fix the problem safely. Visit our blog to learn more or call us to schedule a repair.